Welcome to Harborview Grande 703, your luxury home away from home nestled in the heart of a charming beach town. This stunning 1,800 square foot condo, located on the 7th floor of an 8-floor building, offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, making it the perfect seaside retreat for families and friends alike. As you enter the condo, the open floor plan unfolds before you, revealing a spacious living room and dining room with impressive water views and balcony access. The living room, featuring a comfortable leather sectional, 2 additional rattan chairs, and a large flat-screen TV, is the perfect place to unwind after a day of beach fun. Step out onto the balcony to soak in the stunning bay views. With a table that seats 4, it's the ideal spot for sipping your morning coffee or enjoying al fresco dining. The large open kitchen, equipped with full-size black appliances including a refrigerator, range, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, coffee maker, and toaster, is ready for all your culinary adventures. Maplewood cabinetry and Corian countertops add a touch of elegance, while the fully stocked kitchen with dishes, silverware, and cooking utensils makes meal preparation a breeze. The dining area comfortably seats 6, with additional seating for 4 at the breakfast bar, ensuring ample space for everyone to enjoy meals together. The master bedroom is a haven of tranquility with a king-size bed, flat-screen TV, lounge chair, ceiling fan, and balcony access. The ensuite bathroom boasts double sinks, a separate water closet, a garden tub, and a walk-in shower for a spa-like experience. Guest bedroom 1 features a king-size bed and flat-screen TV. While guest bedroom 2 offers 2 twin beds, a TV, and an armoire wardrobe. A second bathroom with a tub shower combo ensures everyone's comfort. For your convenience, the condo also includes an in-unit washer and dryer, air conditioning, Wi-Fi, cable, and flat-screen TVs in the living room and bedrooms. A closet full of beach chairs, umbrellas, and beach toys means you'll have everything you need for beach fun at your fingertips. The condo building offers a heated waterfront pool and hot tub, and a rec room overlooking the bay with a pool table, large flat-screen TV, and plenty of seating, providing additional entertainment options. Harborview Grande 703 is just 2 blocks from the beach, and within walking distance of a host of restaurants and bars. Enjoy waterside breakfast at Shepherd's Ocean Flame, sunset dinners at Jimmy's Fish House and Iguana Bar, Italian cuisine at Cesare at the beach, and live beach bands at Shepherd's Tiki Beach Bar and Grill. Nearby attractions include Pier 60, Clearwater Marine Aquarium, and Busch Gardens Amusement Park in Tampa. Experience the best of beachside living at Harborview Grande 703 and book your unforgettable beach vacation today.